So, very conveniently, people blame Gen Z for their approach and attitude towards not having patience and hold them responsible for not accepting things. Hi, I'm Vishakha, counselor, healer, and a life coach. So, when I say that people conveniently choose Gen Z to blame for their attitude and approach, people like us forget that we are the generation who have created them. And I find it very funny. Why funny? Because if we are the people who have created them, and we are the people who have always been protective about them, and we have never let them exposed to any problems in their lives, they were treated as a privileged kids. So suddenly when they are out in market creating their life, doing jobs, how do people expect from those generation, from those people, to be suddenly very accepting and not having a different attitude towards life? They have been treated like that, so they will expect from life the same attitude, the same approach from other people as well. And millennial bosses these days are not able to accept those Gen Z kids or those Gen Z people as their subordinates. I know, and this is really unfortunate that the creation that we have done, we are not able to accept that. Understand how God must be feeling. He has created us, and now we are really confused with our lives and confusing God as well. Just joking, just kidding. But all in all, this generation is created by us, so we should know what product we have brought in market, and we should be able to accept them. Little funny, but on harsher side of life, if you want life to treat you well, treat life hard. Treat your life so hard that life does not treats you hard. Don't let the time come in your life where life starts treating you hard. Give hard time to yourself so that you are so practiced with handling any situation in your life that whatever is served, you are at bliss. Because you know that life is not always blissful. You have to have your hardships, and your inner world is totally isolated from your outer world. To have this knowledge, to have this wisdom with you, again, you have to expose yourself to different experiences. As I mentioned yesterday, you have to expose yourself to different failures. You have to accept them gracefully and let your kids also have that experience. Don't immediately go and protect them. Let them have their own experiences. Let them have their own opinions. Ultimately, you are definitely are going to be there for your kids. But let them try and figure out, give some time to your kids. Let them try handling their life. I hope this helps. Share this reel and save this reel with you. Share with people around you who wants to or who needs to hear this. I hope this helps. Happy healing, everyone.